So what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of podcast episode 16. If you don't want to miss the updates, please like and subscribe on this channel and follow my account C20SOP. Research. One thing that comes to your mind. Experiments, gathering the data, analysis, information, a lot. And also research is one of the most frustrating subjects ever that any student will experience. And why did they decide to add research to begin with? It's very hard, frustrating, time consuming, cost efficient, a lot of problems to face just to make your research proposal work on the teacher. For the defense, like that, so many things to do in the research, so tiring. But without research, you cannot even pass high school to begin with. That's why research is important because it applies reality and you will learn not to plagiarize things. Now, let's listen to the best motivational story on how one inexperienced leader manages to carry his teammates, and with his teammates helps, group mates help, the research is finally defended. Here we go. Last February, no, 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 yeah, February 2024. You know that a typical research needs to study a lot. There was a student named Paul. Paul is. Oh, okay. Let's speak it. I will make it louder. Okay, so Paul is a research. Sorry for the noise. I cannot concentrate in this video. Okay? So Paul is a research. I don't know. Listening to the research class, and then the teacher is kind of boring like that, low voice, and we cannot get what we want to think. He finds it boring, and then he decides to make a random things about. And then now, when the chapter one begins about the RRL, SOP, statement of the problem, RRL, review of related literature, background of the study, statement of the problem. You need to make it. You make a draft. Paul gathers his group mates with his friends Mark. Let's list the names. Paul has a group mates named Mark, Mark the C, Kyle, Christoph, Alan, and what you call James. Or all of those names are just fantasy and it's just inspiration from true to life story. So this group formed a group name of an NBA player rivalry between LeBron James and Stephen Curry. The name of the research group is Golden Lakers. What a nice unique name for the research group. They, they planned to make a research study about the social norms inside the campus of CITU. So they make the one. And the teacher says that they will make SOP and background of the study. So they already make those things. Upon the first draft that they passed to was ChatGPT's. It was used by ChatGPT, and you know why? If you use ChatGPT in your research and then the teacher detects it, you will be embarrassed, I swear. But thankfully, that was just practice research. One, the basics. They just give him chance to redraft that thing and replace those with humanized versions. Even if you use Humanizer app, it will still detect that you are using AI. School wants the research that it's pure human made, no AI. Although you can get some inspiration from any website, any tools, but make sure that you paraphrase it on your own understanding. After that, they they continue with their draft RRL. I already forgot some parts of the research, but it will be still applied in grade 12. So let me just find something first for a while. This is what we made in the research actually in the True to Life Story podcast. We were told by the teacher to make this background of the study as part of chapter 1's introduction. And however, the first attempt that someone the group mates made the research, it was AI, plagiarized by AI, 100%. So the teacher told them to redraft this thing again, and yeah, that's what he did, redraft. Now, Paul himself volunteers to do this job. Like the teacher already gave the format. This study aims to something. He struggled a bit of research because Paul isn't fan of research. He hates research. But he has no choice to do it because that's what the constitution of the K to 12 says, that you need research to pass high school. So he just no choice but makes this research, and now we are moving on to the statement of the problem. Although the first time that Paul passes this question, this is not the question yet, the finale, the draft one, there was some questions that is not connected to SOP. So he revised, asked help with these questions, and I get it. Now for the scope and limitation made by other group mates, they made it in one try when they passed it the draft test to their teacher. The teamwork, the resiliency of each group mates make the reason why this one test. And even on the significance of the study. But in RRL, everyone is helping on this. Everyone has part of their job by finding the resources, gather some information, write whatever the resources says, not copy paste, but citation it, a placed RRL, and we even have references given here in this RRL. Now, someone made research methodology. Like when we pass the research methodology, it doesn't work like this at first. And before we will continue that, let's go to the title defense story. The title defense story is, oh, sorry for the name. I'll just hide it. The title defense journey that made by Paul is just chill. You know why? It's not you gonna present it to the PowerPoint and defend your claim why you titled like that. It's just like, sorry for the cam, typical Chica sessions where a teacher sits in the middle and then the group mates close, like forming a half circle. Then they ask each members one-on-one, for example, Mark, what what is the title of the research, like that? That's what we did. And then they ask what is the summary, Paul, like that. That's what we did. Answering those questions. Defend. You don't need to be scared on research defense. It's just your skills. You need to know your study furthermore. And if you're the leader, you will be the most questioned person ever. So let's go back. I think it's here. So I think the first time that someone made the research methodology, it was not like that. They didn't follow the teacher's format. But until Paul revises this one with the help of Kyle to completely revise the research methodology and follows the teacher's format. And as for definition of terms, Paul was assigned for this. However, the teacher says that do not get the meaning from dictionary. Base it on your research. And that's what the definition of terms means in your research study. where you need, where you put these keywords, definition of words in sentence form, not dictionary form. Like for example, if I say empathy, if I say empathy, it's not like, it's not in a one sentence like empathy, show mercy. It is making it in sentence, and do not copy it in dictionary or Google. Now we are finished with chapter 1. This is good. Now we proceed to chapter 2, where everyone tries to help this to achieve success. Koan, research in chapter 1 and chapter 2. With us, no. With Paul, Christoph, Alan are the ones that trying to conduct the interview. They are the ones who find students, and also Mark are trying to find their respondents as well. So with the gathered data from Christoph, Alan, and James, and the questions there, we make the 10 question interview scratch. And what and those interview question is expected to place it here on this 2.2 something the presentation, where for example, if I say, what is the favorite color of yours, personal example only, if the respondent says the favorite color is blue, you will place it color blue. So you will say participant 1 that the favorite color of that person is blue. Same goes to other response. That's what we did. Also with Mark. Gather this complete 10 data questions, and some of it is on Google Forms because we do not have much time left. And some of it aren't serious in answering. Now let's go to data analysis. With the help of everyone, they made it in one try again. And there was no chat GPT used, in fact, because even if I detect this in GPT-0, there is no AI, no robot involved to make this research study. It is just pure impromptu mind. Whatever I think, whatever that person thinks, place it there. That's what the research shows. But make sure that when you do impromptu, it is connected to the title of the story, title of the study. So like this. We're now in chapter 3, the finale part, the summary, conclusion, and recommendation. And teacher assigns a leader. When no one stepped up, and every one of a group agrees that Paul's to be a leader, despite he has no experience. Paul tried his best to carry his teammates in research, despite his inexperience. When Paul is in Koan, he assigns some roles to do this job, but he will help them if they cannot do it. It's just give and take. If you help, that person helps. Like that. So that's why with the leadership of Paul and the unity of other members, this thing becomes successful. Here, we even have appendum. Here, since there was a role, someone is the one that makes transcript. By using the voice record app, translate it to their whatever saying, this is what they said. The most highlighted person is the one that is transcribed. And someone volunteered to do transcribed. Because some members do not have time. And this is how we reference the things we gather from the data here. Like that. And make sure this is not color blue. Because the time that they pass this. Sorry, I will not show this because it's privacy. When we pass those, make sure it's blue. Also, if you wanna pass your research, make sure that it's like this, placed, indented, justified, everything. And now here comes the final part. before the classes end, the research defense. This is now the research defense because you will defend everything what is written from chapter 1 to chapter 3. But some of those are not chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 only. It is divided into like 5 chapters and they're not combined. But this one is just practice. So before the so the research defense was set on Friday where that was the finale day of exams. Everyone is frustrated because they study exam and then now research. The research teacher has agreed to move the schedule. However, the teacher at first doesn't want to listen our side because he said that no defense, so they have no choice but to follow. Make the research defense on Monday and finally they have a respective schedule, Monday and Tuesday for each every section to defend the research. And for us, Paul, who was featured in the story of this podcast, was assigned color pink. However, he was so frustrated because he cannot find color pink. It is so samok because that is color rare, the rarest color that he can find. But somehow, his groupmate Mark is intelligent. The clip, you know what we passed for the first time in the research? They said it's envelope pink and it looks like this. Oh, sorry, let's flip it. It looks like this, but they said it's not accepted. It should be the one that has the plastic cover on the side and there's the clip lock that is color pink too. So you know what Mark Shan did? Since he cannot find those, he is so intelligent that he just removed the side. He just pay both. And after that they remove the clip lock and present it to the research. And when Paul the leader prints all of this final draft before defense, if he gone, he passed. He spent 180 pesos just for this. And he didn't even decide to go home. If he just go home, the expense of the research is just almost zero because he can print it in the house. At the end, the research was defended because we answered the question based on the teacher and we did defend the research. With the teamwork helping everyone, the research is defended and everyone got a 46 over 50 above score and everyone celebrates and proud as they achieve the research is finally defended and they can rest good after that. They are happy that they do not have to think anymore of research. And so the moral story is so what are the advice what can you see about here? This is what I said earlier in the meaning of research. There is a lot you can think of: interview, experiment, inform, explore, analysis, a lot. What can I advise to these group mates? Paul, number one, do not celebrate too early. I swear. You still have one more research and you're even grade 11. You still have one more research. You know why? You need 3 researches to achieve your dreams, to finish senior high. Quantitative research. Do you think this one is already enough? There is still a lot. Quantitative research, you need to gather data from like Family Feud. Out of 100, you do like that and place it like that. It's another stress for you. Number 2, for your next research journey, practice, practice, practice. Because eventually you'll like research as well. Number 3, prepare your money for research next school year. You know why? It's already cost efficient. And you know, you need to sacrifice your money. You need to hire statistician like that to make that research successful. Sacrifice that. Number four, never chill. Do not chill. Do not take research as chill. Research is tiring. You need to sacrifice your time for that. So you need to learn the time management. And that's what I can give for advice. To the listeners out here, you can motivate your research to make it easy by listening to this podcast. And the advice and additional advice, if you want to find RRL, you can try Google Scholar because it almost works. And also, if you want to make research, please, the RRL itself is very hard to find. So do not make a title that is very hard to find in RRL. Make it common, easy for you to find so that the easier it is, the earlier you can pass your research. You know, we do not have choice, but we need to follow K to 12 because it's very important for research. It's very important to finish high school, and that's it. Thank you for speaking. Bye.